Hi everyone, welcome to queenleahproductions. It's been so long since I've said those words. I haven't uploaded a video on this channel in forever because I'm a vlogger now, so I've been vlogging. But anyways, I am back with a Valentine's Day DIY for you guys because as you guys are aware, Valentine's Day is coming up in less than a week. Oh my gosh, time flies. It's going to be on February 14th, obviously, because that's what Valentine's Day is. And so I'm going to show you how to make a really cute mini envelope, and also at the end of the video I'll show you some failed envelopes I made because nobody's perfect. So anyways, let's get on with this video. You will need paper, but 6x6" origami paper is best for this. If you use larger sheets of paper, make sure you cut them into squares. All the other materials shown are optional. So you need to start by folding a square piece of paper in half into a triangle. Make sure that the color side is showing facing up. So now you want to fold the top corner downward to sit up against the bottom edge of your paper. So now you have to fold in the bottom corners of your paper. The whole paper will now look like the shape of a house. Now you have to do a squash fold as shown on the video in the corner of your screen. This is just so the envelope will stay closed. After that, take the top corner of your paper, fold it down, and then that would be the part that closes the envelope. Now glue down the areas shown in the video. Now you have finished making your beautiful envelope. So I customized my envelope and I added a white heart that I cut out of a piece of paper. But that is optional, and you may decorate your envelope however you please. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you enjoyed it, share your friends and family, subscribe to this channel and my other channel, Queen Leah Vlog, to join the Leah Nation and become a Leahnator, and comment down below what you would like to see next. This is a how-to channel, so tell me what you want to know how to do and I will show you. Anyways, I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye guys. Peace.